Shay. I'm here for my Walmart's weekend haul for you. I hope you cannot hear my AC because believe me when I say it's blasting. And so if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the Pow Pow. I got the Pow Pows out today. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also make sure you smile like my Twitch girl. So listen, we have some awesome deals to share today. I'm so excited about this haul. I'm so excited about this haul, you guys. Now, I will say this really quick with the Arrowhead. I know that deal on Shopkick is regional, and I posted it, what was that, yesterday morning? And there was 4 different flavors. As of now, there's just 2 left, and I literally just did it again right now. And so that one is probably on a like invisible timer, if you know what I mean. But yeah, this is gonna be an awesome little haul. Well, not little. That's what she said. It's not little, not at all. But listen, y'all, I'm gonna try to make this quick though. Look, I am still using the Arrowhead coupons. I printed my last set today, and I'm gonna try to see if I can use them in the next 2 days. This is a Knox coupon though. Knox mean no expiration, still scans. I used 2 from the 18th today, so I know that it is still Knoxing. Finished up all my Flavor Wiki surveys today, which is cool. So hopefully they'll hit Monday, Tuesday. You guys, as far as Flavor Wiki is hella tricky, all right? They tricky, all right? I can't tell, I mean, what to say, what to do with the responses, because one, I could be doing this and then it could work right now and it could not work the next time. So I don't get all of the surveys on Flavor Wiki. By far, I don't get them all. And so, but I mean, I feel like it's almost like the more marketable you are, the higher your chances are. So the more open you are, like no allergies, have a couple kids, you know, school age, you know, Josiah, David age. Well, not David age. David when he was like 2 years ago. You know, you don't work in none of these fancy industries. But they are tricky though. They are really tricky. And they wasn't always like that, but it's like, I feel like it's more difficult to get a survey nowadays. And so, yeah, with that being said, it don't stop me from trying. I'm gonna keep trying. Might not get them all, but I'm gonna keep trying. So with that being said, we're gonna head into Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what you can grab, you're gonna do, hit the like button and keep on watching. All right, y'all. So listen, this deal here, I have seen Eunice post this deal so many times, and I finally found it. So I'm super stoked to try it. It's on the Dr. Prager's. This is a free offer through IO. I have a link or a text number in the description, our Google Doc. It's priced at $5.08. You'll get that back. Again, it's absolutely free. We also have an offer on the Sun Butter Jammies. It's on Social Nature. It's priced at $5.94. Getting that back, making this absolutely free. So next up is the Jovial gluten-free pasta. It's priced at $4.68. We have a free offer on Social Nature. And so yeah. All right, y'all. So listen. Yeah, and I just started using Shopkick again. And I wanted to try, you know, the whole thing with you not being able to stack with sister apps. And let me just cut to the chase. It didn't work. So what I did, I grabbed 2 of these right here, priced at $3.28. Paying $6.56. Now I submitted on Shopkick first, got back I think 200 kicks, and then I submitted on Checkout 51. It went into review, and then I did ta-da, I think, and it said receipt already submitted or whatever. So I couldn't get past that. So I said, okay, we're just not going to be doing that. All right. So I ended up returning and repurchased them just so I could submit for ta-da. With that being said, we're grabbing 2 of these at $3.28. You'll pay $6.56, get back $3.50 on ta-da, and $2 on Checkout 51. Makes them 53 cents each. And that's only for the strawberry mango flavor. There's an offer for the other ones you can do, and I think it makes it like 70 something cents. And so yeah, still not a bad deal. Limit of 2, so you can grab 4 bottles on one receipt if you want to. All right, y'all. So this deal here is on the Zolly Pops or Zoli Pops. They don't carry them at this store. I did this in my last video. I just wanted to mention it again because I did get credit for it today through WeStock. And so for this, you're buying 2 of them. They're priced at $7.32. You'll pay $14.64. And then for the buy one get one free offer, And the free offer, I got back $7.22 and $7.32. So I brought them down to like 5 cents per bag. I'll have links in the description or my Google Doc. So this next deal here is on the sparkling Arrowhead water. I think I mentioned this deal weeks ago. It's an offer on Shopkick. It has since gone up. Makes it a small money maker, which is definitely not bad. A limit of 5 per flavor. I see the only flavor they don't have here is the lemon though. And so they're priced at $3.92. Now, we also have a rewards drop. There it goes right there. Rewards drop rebate. It's spend 20, get back 8. Now, the payback time on this seems really long. It's like a 8 to 10 weeks or something like that. So I only did it one time. I'm not sure if you can do spend 20 and get 16. One of you guys asked that. I'm not sure, so I just did one. Plus, I want to see how long it's going to take to pay out as well. And so I'll have a link in the description or the Google Doc. And so for this, they're priced at $3.92. You want to grab 6 of them. Any combination, there's, like I said, 4 different flavors you can grab. You'll end up paying $23.52, but you'll get back a total. Well, I got back a total of $66.60 in kicks. That was because I scanned all 4 flavors, plus I scanned Splash. I scanned 2 of the flavors because I saw they only had 2. So I did get back extra scan kicks on all the other products. I ended up getting back a total of $26.64. The receipt did go straight through, picked up all 6 cases for Shopkick, which is awesome. I didn't have to correct anything. And then getting back the $8 for rewards drop would make them all free plus an $11.12 moneymaker. And even without the rewards drop, it's still like a $3 and change moneymaker, which is still not bad. Now, the offer for this one is more than the others. It's not that much more, but it is more than the others. And so I got 5 of those. And then I grabbed the lemon one as well. And so definitely is not a bad deal. All right, next up is the Dr. Pepper. Now, for Flavor Wiki, I did have some retakes that popped up. So if you've already done these, always just check back to see if you have any retakes that pop up. I have one for Dr. Pepper. It's priced at $8.12. Getting back $9.50 on Flavor Wiki would make this a $1.38 moneymaker. I have one for Pepsi Wild Cherry as well. It's priced at $7.97. Getting back $8.50 on Flavor Wiki would make this a 53-cent moneymaker. All right, so I'm going to be doing this deal again. I have it for Joseph's account. It's a Flavor Wiki deal. Same as the one I did on my account. He has 2 sets as well. So I'm going to grab the Pillsbury, price at $3.12. Great value is $2.08. You'll pay $5.20, and then you'll get back a total of $18 on Flavor Wiki. It'll make it a $12.80 moneymaker. And again, we have 2 sets. So I'm going to get this times 2. So yeah. All right. I'm so happy they finally stocked this area. It looked terrible like 2 days ago. So we're doing the airwork again, of course. And I think I'm going to grab the Hawaiian one because I don't think I've gotten this one right here. I'm using this $3 coupon right here. Coupons.com, you guys. I'll pop up the IP fairy that I use to get extra coupons when I need them. Other than that, I can print them at home. You can use different browsers. I use Firefox and I use Chrome. So you can print up to 2 coupons per device per browser. So I always do that first before I order coupons. But if I need to order extra ones, then I order from IP Fairy, and I've ordered 4 sets of this already. And so yeah, and they expire on the 25th, so I only have a couple days to go through the other set. But grabbing one at $3.97, $3 coupon, scans perfectly fine, self-checkout. You'll pay 97 cents. I've been grabbing this one. Well, this is my first time grabbing this one. I'm grabbing this one as well, and this one here. And so yeah, not bad deal. All right, guys, really quick. You can tell when something's working, right? I don't know. It was definitely a lot more here last time that I was here. But the Good Wipes deal, I'm only going to mention this again because some of you guys are saying it wasn't working. The offer is still working. And so it's a free offer on a pack. In the last video, we tried the triple pack and it worked. So you don't have to buy the single. You can buy the 3-pack. I think someone said they got a 4-pack somewhere. But I grabbed the 3-pack at $97. I got that back. Now, I did it a second time using a text now number.
I have a text now number. I pay a subscription. It's like $2 a month or something like that. All right, where you can actually receive links. And so this is my very first time using a text now number for one of these offers. I only did it because it asks you, you know, if it's Venmo, it will go to the same number, or if it's PayPal, you have to enter your PayPal email address, which is what I did, and I got it in less than an hour. So it is still working. I'll have a link in the description. All right, so I'm gonna be grabbing the Afrin again. It's priced at $8.22. Last time I got 2 of these. I think this I'm just gonna grab one. Getting back $2 on Ibotta. Get back a total of $5.70 on Shopkick. And then we'll get back $2 on Checkout 51. It'll make this a $1.48 moneymaker. Alright, y'all. So listen, I did do the Vitafusion deal again. This store is out. I think my whole area is out by now. But it is G-wording on the multivites. They're priced at $5.98, as you can see.
They don't have any. Can you see any?
Can you see any? Because I can't see any from my vision, from my height stance right here. Anyway, so listen, so for this, we're gonna grab 4 of them. Now, let me just preference this real quick. If you don't want to use a coupon, you don't have to. All right. Now I know that some of you guys said that you didn't get credit on Ibotta. I will always use a coupon on Ibotta if I can, and I most often than not I get credit for it. And so you don't have to use a coupon if you don't want to. I would rather use a coupon than get back $1.50 on Ibotta. So yeah, I'd rather use a $3 coupon instead of use Ibotta. So you could do either or. I grabbed 4 of them at $5.98. I used 3 of these printables right here from coupons.com. That'll bring the total down to $11.92, and you'll get back $18 on one of the sister apps, and then you'll get back 6 of them on Ibotta. It'll make it a $12.08 moneymaker. But again, if you don't want to use Ibotta, you don't have to. It'll still be a moneymaker. There's also an offer for one of them on Checkout 51, so that could be an option for you as well. You guys, is it just me? Because I feel like Sally, she been driving me a little crazy. I'm not gonna lie. These cases is usually locked. Obviously, they's doing something right here, but I'm about to scan some stuff real quick and see if I can get anything that's on clearance. But a lot of the Sally's on clearance. I was really hoping to find some press-ons or some nails, and it looks like they do have some of these little ones right here. So I'm gonna scan some of this stuff. Ain't none of this stuff on clearance. That's why they so stocked. I should have known. I probably scanned like 2 rows that I know stuff is on clearance. Nada. Absolutely nada. So I'm hoping I get luckier at the other store I gotta go to. Because I think I need like 9 more offers to hit my big bonus and the weekend. And so yeah.
All right, guys. So I found this on clearance at a different store that I almost never go to because it's a little further for me. It's on the W brand. I believe it's Jake Paul's line at Walmart. Found some on clearance. It worked out a little bit better than I expected as well. So I grabbed 2 of the sprays at $4.50, and then I grabbed 2 of the deodorant sticks. Those were $3.75. I ended up paying $12.75. I got back $3.75 for an offer on aisle. It said buy 3 get 3 free, but it was actually buy 2 get 1 free. And then I had a BOGO offer for each of them on Social Nature, and I got back $4.50 for one, $5.92 for the other one, making all 4 free plus $8.42 moneymaker. I totally forgot to mention this one when I was in store. It's on the Sumo citrus oranges. I had to grab one for a field agent. It's priced at $1.98, and then I'm getting back $4.98, making this a $3 moneymaker. Now, I will say I've never wanted to try these oranges because of the way they look. And this picture is a beautiful picture. They don't really look like completely like that. They look more like run down. They look rough. But this one was actually really, really good, and I would have never tried it. And so to be able to get paid $3 to try it, I'm sold. This worked out so awesome. I found so much Sally. Let me just take a moment to give a shout out to Sally. Sally H, that's the homie right there. She made this happen, and I just want to thank her for that. I did find some press-ons, and I found some of the tanning, lotion as well. I think I ended up with 27 nail polishes. We did Walmart Rewards as well as Ibotta. Everything else here worked out really, really good.
And so I'm going to try to run through this really quick. I did grab the Papel again at Food for Less. That was a flavor wiki offer. It was $1, got back $4. And then I did the Pepsi on, I had it on Joseph's account as well. And on mine, I had the Dr. Pepper and the Pepsi. And so everything here retails $313.88. I had $84 in coupons. My sales tax was high, y'all. $24.49. It brought the out of pocket down to $229.88. And then getting back a total of $66 from Flavor Wiki, $63.20 from Ibotta, $60.20 from Shopkick, $21.50 from Tada, $21 from Walmart Rewards, $19.56 from Social Nature. I did cash out for PayPal for $18.70. $16 was for the rewards drop, which I still have to submit my second receipt. Field agent was $13.98, which I noticed that it's taking longer to process. Like I did 3 jobs yesterday, only 1 has processed so far. B tags for the wipes was $9.97, and I did get that back in less than an hour on the second time. Aisles is $8.83. Checkout 51 was $4. Last but not least was Fetch Reward. I did get back $1.50 for the Pepsi products. I've noticed with Fetch, if I scan my receipts in, I have my Walmart app linked, it will sometimes give me credit twice once I sync my Fetch account. So getting back a total of $324.44. It makes everything you see here free plus a $94.56 moneymaker. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me see like a forest like tree in the comments, or a tree of some sort. If you made it to the end, as always, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.